Hello and welcome to my video on how to recycle clay. I found that over the years pugging machines are quite expensive, so this is just a free, easy way to do so. Right, let's get started. So you will need a couple of things. You'll need 2 large watertight containers, wooden boards, plastic bags, and of course your unfired clay pieces that you'd like to recycle. So let's take those old pieces of unfired clay and put them into the watertight container. Make sure to put enough water to cover the pieces that you're putting in. I'll leave the clay pieces in this container for around a week so that it fully dissolves. Then I'll move this liquid clay into a second container so that it can get rid of some of that water that it's holding onto. I'll leave the clay in this second container for another week until it turns into what I can describe as fluid clay. I'll use this fluid clay to make large mounds on my wooden boards so that hopefully each mound will dry out at the same rate. So after it's been left for 2 weeks on the wooden boards, lots of the moisture will have been seeping into the board itself, and now it's able to broadly wedge into a shape. It might be tricky at first, but at least if you can lift it up and manipulate it in some way, it means that actually you're getting rid of a little bit more of that water. As you can see here, I usually do this when I have a lot of clay to recycle. I've got 2 full boards worth, and sometimes you might find it easy to cover the boards with a plastic sheet just to protect it while it's drying out. So we've nearly finished the process. After another 7 to 10 days, it now should be ready to block or wedge, and then to put into bags of your choice and ready to use again. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Make Explore Art for more tips and tutorials, and see you next time.